Hi everyone. Today we'll continue learning about functions and lists. Here we go. So over here you can see another program. At the top as usual is what we're going to learn today, then the rules and the program. So today we're going to be learning about the sort function, how to sort in descending order, and the reverse function. Let's start with sort function. So sort basically sorts everything in the list into ascending order. For example, here I've got two lists, alphabets and numbers. So we can learn about both. So over here we have got the sort, so I'm doing alphabets first. So let's see what happens with alphabets. So if it's alphabets, it sorts them into alphabetical order. So here we have alphabet.sort and nothing in the brackets. That's the syntax of sort. Then I'm printing alphabets. So when I run this, it does A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. But now if we check the original list, alphabet, then it does B, G, A, D, F, C, H, E. And we've got from A to H. But you can clearly see that there is no order over here. It's just random alphabets thrown everywhere. So that's what sort does. Puts them into ascending order, or like alphabetical order. Next, let's see what happens when we work with numbers. So let's change this to numbers.sort and change this alphabets to numbers. So in numbers, you've got random numbers again, 2, 5, 11, 54, 199, 2000, and 554. Now when I run this, it is 2, 5, 11, 54, 199, 543, and 2000. So it's gone from smallest to biggest. Exactly what it says over here. It sorts them into smallest to biggest. Now, we can move on to how to sort in descending order. But just so that this ascending order sort doesn't distract us, we can just comment it. Right. And now we can uncomment this one, alphabets.sort reverse. That's the syntax. So, and now I'm printing this. So over here, these are the rules for this one. So this is the syntax, listName.sort, then reverse equal to true. That's the syntax if you want to sort the list into descending order. So let's start with alphabets. So it's the opposite of alphabetical order. So here we have got alphabets.sort until here is the same, but then in the brackets we have written reverse equal to true. And that's what's going to help us do it in descending order. After that, I'm printing alphabets. So when I run this, right, this is gone H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. So basically it's gone from descending order, so from like opposite. So over here we have got from A to H, and it's gone from H backwards. That's what it does. So it takes the list and puts it and changes everything into descending order. If I give you another example with numbers, so numbers takes it from biggest to smallest. If I change this to numbers and change this to number, right. Now when I run this, it's saying 2543 and backwards. So basically it just changes this to descending order. That's what reverse equal sort in brackets reverse equal to true does. Now, lastly, we've got the reverse function. So if I just comment this one and this one so that it doesn't get in the way of this reverse function, and then I'm gonna uncomment this print statement. So in reverse function, it just turns the list around. Doesn't matter if it's alphabets or numbers. So basically what it does, so over here we've got alphabets. So when I run this, it does E, H, C, F, D, A, G, B. And in the actual list is B, G, A. So let's compare. So B is in the end and B is in the start. Then G, then after that it's A, then D, F, C, H, and E. Basically, it's turned the whole list around. Next, we can try it out with the numbers. Right. Numbers and numbers. So when I run this, here we've got technically the opposite of what we had. So here we've got 2, 5. So 2 is over here, 5 is second, but second last over here. Then 11, 54, 199, 2000, and 543. So all it does is switch the list around. That's what reverse does. There is also sorted and reverse functions. Those we shall leave for later as they're not just for lists. Bye for now.